Hey friends, this is your exit ticket for today for lesson 2. So in your learning video and the practice that we did earlier, we again were comparing items. This time you were using your green strip of paper to measure and figure out if these items were longer or shorter than the paper strip. So that's what you're going to do on this paper. You're going to take your paper strip. Remember, you want to line it up end to end. And I want you to let me know if the baseball bat is longer than, shorter than, or the same size as the paper strip. You're going to circle one of those words, okay? Then you're going to measure the book. You're going to put the paper strip, remember, end to end on the book. Is the book longer than, shorter than, or the same length as the paper strip? Okay, so once you do that, then you're going to answer, the baseball bat is blank the book. Is the baseball bat longer than, shorter than, or the same length as the book? Okay, remember we're comparing our items.